After cordially greeting my turkey companions, I make my way up into the town of Fontana where I try to find a spot to unload the bike.
Alright folks, and now the moment we've all been waiting for. Hopefully it doesn't go tumbling to the ground.
I'm using a combination of the front brake plus the bike in gear and modulating the clutch to slowly lower the bike down the ramp in a controlled manner. This is the first time really attempting it on the trip here, so as you can see I was going very cautiously, very slowly, and as time goes on it got a lot smoother.
Alright. Wasn't so bad, but I feel like loading's going to be a bit of a different story. Honestly, this is the hardest part for me. I just want to go so bad and start riding, but I got to set up all my camera stuff and make sure I have everything and go through, double, triple check everything, and hopefully all the preparation now will pay off later though. Alright guys, what I'm doing now is checking the angle on the GoPro and everything, making sure we're all good here. I'm gonna roll with that. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. I am gonna definitely try to warm my tires up a little bit today before I go too crazy here. I know they have been sitting in the truck and whatnot, and probably have a little bit of flat spots on them. I don't know if it's Cherohala or Cherohala. I'm almost inclined to think that it is Cherohala, just because obviously it sounds very Native American, and where I'm from, a lot of Ayla sounds are Native Americans, like Monongahela, for example. So now we're going to start climbing an elevation up to about 5,000 feet. Caney Branch Overlook. See, this is beautiful, this kind of stuff right here. But if I took a picture of this, it would just look like shit. Like, the picture just would not do it justice. Cherohala Skyway, certainly a beautiful motorcycle road. Obviously got a lot higher speed going on than the tail. Woo! This easily beats out the tail, easily. And here's our Goldwing buddies. Didn't take too long to catch up to them. If I am going to pass, I want to try to do it in a respectful manner. Yeah, they're getting pretty leaned over there. Yeah, I'm not gonna go flying by them on an inside blind curve. So see if we can't get a nice little straightaway here and just politely pass them.
So as we see, an incredible road with beautiful long sweeping curves on it that you can really get leaned over on and really drag a little bit of knee if you were so inclined. Right after this, I did run the tail a few times, and I actually have a full uncut video of me doing that. I will link in the description. But as of now, I think we're going to pack it up and head for the cabin.
Alright, well, let's hope this goes as well as I think it will.
For the loading process, I just have the bike in gear idling, and in parts like that where I would get stuck, just kind of let the clutch out a little bit, use the engine itself to help propel me up the ramp.
Piece of cake, didn't doubt it for a second. Alright, on the road again, headed off to Bryson City to Kept Heart Cabin, where I'll be staying the next couple nights. Got the FZ all loaded up and all looking pretty back there. Gonna go head south on Moonshiner 28, Route 28, until we hit Route 74 here. I gotta say, with the lack of service and learning where everything is without GPS and everything, so that's kind of nice. About 45 minutes to an hour, I'll be in Bryson City, and see you at the cabin. Alright, I'm heading up this goat path here to try to find the cabin. See if we can find it. There we go. Alright, this is the right. Holy shit! Don't want to be coming through here all fucking drunk and shit. I'll tell you what, man. You're definitely secluded up here. I wouldn't want to do this in the winter, that's for damn sure. Okay. Holy fuck. As you see, made it to the cabin. There it is. See, nice little swing, nice view, hot tub over there. I'll show you inside in just a minute. I think we need to unload the bike. I mean, it went pretty good last time, so. Honestly, when I load it, I'm probably going to use a little different procedure. Really nice road right here. Decline there, I think that's going to be nice for loading. So I'll probably load it that way, but for unloading, you never want to unload uphill. I just did it right here, flat ground like that. And as you see, slowly backing it down with the clutch like that gives you a lot of control. So at least that's over with. Alright guys, let me show you around my cabin. Of course, we got the living room here. Nice, nice. Walk through the bedroom. Ooh, pretty. Got this nice wooden, creaky staircase. Leads up to a loft. I love myself a good loft. To the bathroom. Cabin's pretty nice, I must say. I mean, I wouldn't have a problem living here. Side door, nice view, and of course, nice hot tub. So, if I happen to find myself a honey in Bryson City tonight, which I probably won't, we have some fun in the hot tub. Here we go.